Banani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala amakhehla amakhulu amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed. New subscribers siyabonga, returning subscribers siyabonga singamakhehla madala amakhehla makhulu, and people who are just sending their super thanks. Kubonga thina nathi siyabonga. Akwande la nithatha khona, akwande. So today I want to respond to a comment. Someone had asked that I must touch on explaining the difference between amathonga nedlozi. Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi yini ithonga, yini idlozi. Yinto afuna ukuyazi leyo muntu loyo. Le gama la kadlozi, you will hear it, a lot of people balisebenzisa, most traditional healers kuthiwa amadlozi wakho. And people, by saying the word idlozi, they quickly assume ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngamadlozi shuthi sekukhulunywa ngabantu abasekhaya mhlawumbe abashonile, amadlozi wakho ke lawo. That's what people think ukuthi it is. But when it is explained, umuntu osebenza traditional, I'm sorry ukuya kude, kodwa umuntu osebenza traditional, umuntu osebenza traditional oyisangoma, unesithunywa, unengilosi. It's just that ingilosi yakhe isebenza traditional, ingilosi yakhe isebenza ngayo imithi, ingilosi yakhe isebenza ngawo amathambo, ingilosi yakhe isebenza ngendlela different. Njoba ngisho ukuthi asiphanga ngokufana, asiphiwanga ngani ngokufana. Nami nginayo ingilosi yami, eyami ingilosi ke le nginikwe yona ke le ngihamba nayo, siyakhuleka. Ngiyakhuleka. Ekukhulekeni ngiyakhanyiselwa, ngiyaboniswa indlela okuyiyona ekumele ukuthi ngihambe. Umkhuleko into engiphiwe yona. Kukhona abantu abasebenza traditional, izangoma. Kodwa umuntu okhonisa ukuthi uma ungena ngaphakathi esigodlweni sakhe, le muntu uyakhuleka. Akutshela na sometimes ukuthi I feel ukukhuleka it works more than doing amathambo, because of esikhathini esiningi ngithi people go bayofundiswa amathambo. Esikhathini samanje abantu bayahamba bayofundiswa, bayaboniswe ukuthi mali soku uchaza ukuthi makusoku uchaza ukuthi makusoku uchaza ukuthi. But back in the day, if uphiwe isikhwama, I'll just make an example, uzosiphupha, uyanyamalala, uhambe uyohlala ehlathini, vele uhambe uyothwasa. Uzothi noma usiphiwe isikhwama leso abazobe bakunikeza sona, kumele uyosilanda la kumele uyosilanda khona, you are going to be told ukuthi sizosebenza kanjani. Isikhwama sakhona sizoba nezimfihlo. So laba abahambayo abaya kuma entwasini khona manje, angazi ke ukuthi bona bayenza kanjani, but iqinise ngilaziyo mina lamakhehla ngiphethe angivezela ukuthi mawuphiwe isikhwama sakhona uphiwa mahhala. Isikhwama sakhona uyasibonisa ukuthi sinani ngaphakathi, kanti futhi sisebenza kanjani, siphinde futhi sibe nezimfihlo. Uthi mawushala phaya wenza usebenzisa wena futhi ngengilosi yakho le ophiwe yona natural, iyona ezokwazi ukubonisa ukuthi kwenzakalani. But at this day and age, people ba-trainwa ngeindlela ezi-different, bayazi bona ukuthi ba-trainwa kanjani. But coming back to this thing of differentiating between ithonga nedlozi, I would just say idlozi umoya ohlambulukile. It's just that abantu bafuna ukulibiza because they'll be saying kunamadlozi angahlambulukanga, kunamadlozi anjani ahlambulukile. But again, when you talk about people in your family who have passed on, those are your ancestors. And not all of them can come back and be part of your journey. Mebehambile baqedile umsebenzi wabo. They cannot even come back bazokweseka or be your guides or whatever. Cha. Then when you talk about amathongo, sikhuluma ngabantu abakuphethe la. Sikhuluma ngabantu who are very much close to uMvelinqangi la. Sikhuluma ngabantu abanye abamathonga baphilile, abanye abakaze baphila, who are part of your family. Basikhuluma ngethonga, sikhuluma ngabantu who make decisions about your life. And people have experienced amathonga. And most of the time, I'll just make this example. People have experienced amathonga. I would say, even if people, angikhuluma ngabantu abaphiwe gifted, but abantu abake ba-experience amathonga. People who are very close to uMvelinqangi, people who make decisions about your life. Wena mawucabanga ukuthi akunabantu abayenza ama-decisions ngempilo yakho, bakhona abayenza ama-decision ngempilo yakho. Makukhulunywa ngokuthi wena uyabangwa, something happens in your life, you end up at a hospital. When you get to the hospital, tell ukuthi you are in ICU or you are in a coma. Some people wake up from the coma. Some people don't wake up from the coma. And those who wake up from the coma, a lot of them, if they could share their stories, and if you ukhona la in our community who's waking up from a coma or busesibhedlela or in a very critical condition, people come back with stories to say, while I was sleeping there, this is what I saw. I saw abomkhulu, I saw abogogo bekhuluma nami. Yithonga lelo. Abantu who have a say in your life. Those are the people who are very close to uMvelinqangi. They have a say. They knew that you were going to be born. Bebazi ukuthi unesiphiwo uzosebenza kanje nakanje. They know everything. They know everything. Sometimes iba bathatha inqumo bakuthathela inqumo ukuthi sizomthathela isinqumo, angithi nakasithatha isinqumo. And akusu wonke umuntu aware about that. But when no gifted, into eyiningi uyaziboniswa yona lamathonga. So lalela ke, kunabantu who are in ICU, who are in comas, utavuke abuye azokutshela ukuthi this is what I saw, this is what happened. And angeke ngikhulume ngabanye abantu. I will also talk about my own personal experience. I sleep, I see things. I sleep, I travel a lot food. But enye into ebalekile ukuthi when I almost lost my life there. Did I really see my people there welcoming me, saying, hey, come this side, come this side? No. My situation was very much different because of as I was going through whatever that I was going through, I saw different people speaking to me. And mind you, some of them, I don't know them, but it's very old people speaking to me, telling me, this is what. Some were just even looking at me. But deep down in my heart, I was just praying. In my mind, was I thinking that I was going to die there? I was just praying. Ngicela ukusizwa, ngicela protection. Moving right along. After seeing those people, on my side, I didn't see my people say, come this side. Inges, I saw myself in a fight. I saw myself gilwa. I was fighting. And I got to a space where there was something that tried to ungcindezela ngako konke, ngalwa ngaze ngamemeza ngaphimisela ngathi ngisize emoya engcwele, ngathi ngisize kwasifana amandla. I was in a hospital ngaleso sikhathi leso. After that, guys, I slept. After that whole situation, kodwa ngizoxoxela ukulala kwami lapho. Yila nami ke, maybe mina my ideal situation was going to be like other people where they see their grandmothers and grandfathers and all of those things. Well, I didn't see them, meaning that they were not ready to welcome me. But where I was in another hospital, but a very traditional one, a very not so looking good. I was in a hospital, but ngokomoya bese ngithathiwe ngisiya kwenye indawo ngiyohlengwa lapho amakhehla kanye nezalukwazi amathonga la sikhuluma ngawo, because of some of the people there. Oh khokho, oh khukhu engingabazi. My immediate grandparents, like my mother's mother, or my mother's father, labo ke ngiyababona lapho nalapho. Sometimes they speak, sometimes they don't speak, but kukhona abaphezu kwabo who are above them engingabazi, kodwa labo ke baphethe impilo yami. Laba bakwazi ukubuya bangitshela ukuthi uma ungawenza umsebenzi othunyelwe wona sizoyiqeda impilo yakho. Injalo nje. So mase ngikuhlukanisela kahle guys, ithonga sikhuluma about your spiritual parents. You might know them, you might not know them, but they know you. They know everything about you. Those people are very much close to God. They work with God every day. They make decisions about your life. But masizokhuluma ngedlozi, sizokhuluma nje ngomoya. Ngikasho nje ukuthi umoya ohlambuluka, umoya o natural, okuyehlelayo. And normally ukuyehlela vele when you're a gifted person, because of sonke singama content, but God designed us in a different way. Umoya mawuzosiyehlela, for me to be able to burp or change a voice, it says there's something unique about me, about the container that I am. I am a vessel, but as this vessel unique, so lo moya ohlambulukile ongcwele mawuzongiyehlela, umoya ozongithumeza ngama message, umoya ozongisiza ukuthi ngikwazi ukubona izinto ezingabonakali enyameni. Just to give you a clear distinction, masikhuluma ngamathonga sikhuluma ngabantu abadala, abazali bakho in the spirit, who make decisions about your life. Abokhokho nabomkhulu abakhulu, who make informed decisions. So good, this is what happens. So when you hear people say, hey, I saw my people fighting and asking me, why am I here? People have different stories about their own situations. Nami, I have my own stories about the things that I see in the spirit. Ukuthi ungacabanga ukuthi uhamba wedwa, kanti kukhona abantu. And trust you me, some people say, how do I connect with ithonga lami? How do I do this? How do I do that? When you're supposed to get communication from them, they will give communication, they will show communication. The starting point is you praying, because these people know everything. Ayikho into abangayazi. And angeke ke uzubadojo ungaya kuphi, ungacasha uyohlala kuphi, utshintshe indawo bazokuthola. Akusibona abantu ekuthiwa ekumele ubabikele yonke into. I'm talking about this because of, as I move, they show me ukuthi when you are about to move to this space, you're about to move to this space. So do you think those type of people, or that type of energy, do I really need to bigger to it? I can't, because of they see everything. So ukuhlukanisa bakwethu amathonga, those are your spiritual parents. Abantu abadala ngaphakathi kwekhala, ngaphakathi kweklenya, abadala baphilile kudala. So wena kahle uyi descendant yabo. So they know everything about their descendant. They make decisions. They know. They are loud. But some of us siyicelo zamathonga ukuthi siyacela ukuthi kube nomntwana onje ozokwazi ukusiza ikhaya kanje. So if bangicela mina ngibuye ke ngizenzele umathanda wami, do you think they will just bazoncenga? Abazi ukuncenga kodwa nje bazongibamba rough and tumble. I'm playing, but bazoncenga bangincisise, you know. And then and they always show love, those people. They always show you love. So idlozi bakwethu, ngiyazi abantu, this word dlozi, they will say it comes from what? And igama eliloko lisenza ukuthi amadlozi wakho, abantu abaphilile, abantu who have passed away. Some can come back, some cannot come back. Some baphilile bawuqedile umsebenzi wabo. Some bayakwazi ukuthi baphinde babuye bazokulekelele, ba-added towards being your guides. Uthola ukuthi uhamba nesalukwazi. Ugogo, lo gogo umuntu ozala umama wakho. Uthola ukuthi ukhona ngaphakathi kwesimo sempilo yakho, uhamba nawe spiritual. Kuvume ini amathongo, abantu abaphezulu abahlangane nomdala yiba bavumile ukuthi. But umoya okuthiwa yidlozi, I will put it as umoya ohlambulukile owehlela abantu. Ukuthi usebenzisa trash, ngisho nje ngawubeka nje ngithi umoya ingilosi, singayibeka kanjalo. Sithi kufana njengesithunywa. Ngoba umuntu onedlozi, to be quite honest, bakuthiwa unedlozi, shuthi unomoya lo okwazi ukubona wena umuntu obhodlayo, wena umuntu onjani. I know a lot of people say angilithandi ukulisebenzisa legama lakadlozi. Kukhona abantu mase kuthiwa kunamadlozi amabi, kukhona abantu bebaneziphiwo ne, but they ended up using their gifts in a wrong way. Hence kuzobuya kuthiwa kukhona abantu abamadlozi amabi or abangahlambulukanga or abangayenzanga izinto ezi-right. There are people who were gifted in the family, but did they do their job 100%? Did they do it right? Uyayibona ukuthi njani? But into ekumele ukuthi uyazi ukuthi idlozi umoya ohlambulukile, umoya oletha imilayezo, obonisa indlela, ophilisa abantu. Yinto ekumele ukuthi yazi. If siyahlukanisa umoya, amathongo, abantu abaseke baphila, abanye abangazange baphila kodwa bakhona ngaphezulu kwempilo yakho, bayakwazi. Awukwazi ukubacashela, bakhona nje, bakhona all the time. Thank you so much. Akube ubumbane nozwana nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.